Has your air conditioning ever gone on the fritz in the middle of summer? Or has your heating conked out during a cold winter's night? If so, then you understand the importance of choosing a reputable HVAC company. Let's learn more from our local experts at Conejo Valley Heating and Air, Plumbing and Rooter.
I've been in the local service business my entire life. My father, Wally, the founder of Conejo Valley Appliance AC and Heating, founded the business in 1979. Today, we've now gone to heating, air conditioning, plumbing, and rooter, and we're based off exclusively customer service. Our number one objective into the actual service is customer service, customer service. We call it customer delight. Today, being the owner of this wonderful business in a hyper-local community, I am now backed with a wonderful group of great management and employees. And these are the people who are taking what I've started from my father, and they are now developing the new theory of customer service and customer delight. The whole focal point of where your neighbors are our neighbors is your neighbors are literally our neighbors. We are all one in a hyper-local community, and we are working for all of the neighbors in this hyper-local community.
Experience better air conditioning and lower energy bills. Proper installation can actually cut your cooling and heating costs by up to 15%.
Everyone either has lived or knows someone who has lived through a painful experience with a contractor. Listen, there's a lot of people that do what we do for a living, but we feel that there's very few of them that do it to the level of professionalism that we do. Our number one focus has always been customer service and standing behind what we're doing for a living, especially because we're doing it in your home. I especially feel that communication is everything. From the minute that we enter your home until the very last bit of the installation or repair work that was completed, we like to make sure that we communicate every step along the way with our customers so they know what to expect, what exactly is happening, where they stand with every aspect of their home when it comes to heating and air conditioning and any kind of plumbing needs that may arise. A lot of people say it's out of sight and out of mind, right? And so very few people give heating and air and plumbing any kind of attention until there's something wrong. And so it's our job to do our due diligence and let them know exactly what kind of shape their home is in to those regards. There's a lot going on with the heating and air system as well as plumbing. Plumbing involves water, sewage waste. Heating and air conditioning is comprised of electrical, also some plumbing, so there's water involved. A lot of times there's natural gas involved. A lot of these things, if they're not handled properly and if they're not installed correctly, can lead to a major disaster in a home, such as fire, electrical shock, flooding, a lot of things that'll be catastrophic to a homeowner. If you don't have a reputable contractor that understands these things properly and provides the workmanship and professionalism that is required to install these things, you could end up with a minor disaster inside your home. We ensure the safety and quality of our work by making sure we're adhering to every single detail that we come across, no matter how big or how small that job or repair may be. We want to make sure that we're paying attention to all the small details involved in that and making sure everything's going to be safe when we leave your home and the customer's going to have ultimate satisfaction at the end of it. We definitely stress maintenance. Lack of maintenance can lead to a slew of problems, and that's what we're trying to prevent. We try to set up every customer for success by making sure they're adhering to a proper maintenance schedule. We offer 24-hour, 7-day-a-week emergency service, and we try to have our response time within hours.
Our experienced technicians are trained to identify and solve problems efficiently and effectively.
For service and installations, we do offer different categories, I guess you could say, of repairs. There's a good, better, best. Along with that, you have a minor repair on a refrigeration system or an AC system that may not be the best for the customer or the system itself, but it may be the best solution at the time for the customer until they can further look into system replacement. We ultimately let the customer know what is the best situation and let them make the decision for themselves. Conejo Valley's installation process is actually a little different than most. After the design consultant comes out to provide a quote to the customer, we will send out what's called a system designer. This is something that I have found no other company really does. It provides the customer with a little more comfort and ease with the installation process of what's going to go on and reassures them that their ultimate decision was the right one. So after the visit from the system designer, the installation will take typically 1 to 2 days. The customer's happy at the end of the day that their system is actually up and running. They're able to use the heating or cooling, whichever season they're in. Our customers appreciate the level of workmanship, professionalism, and friendliness that we bring to the job site every day.
HVAC and plumbing go hand in hand. That's why Conejo Valley Heating and Air Plumbing and Rooter now have plumbing experts standing by, ready to solve all your plumbing problems.
The HVAC team and the plumbing team are very cohesive. We consistently run into each other's realm of work. HVAC leaks are constantly diagnosed as plumbing leaks or vice versa, and usually we have somebody to your house in as little as an hour. Most problems stem from lack of maintenance, whether it's your sewer or your area drain system or your water heater. Our options range from minor repairs, maintenance, and full replacement. With homeowners needing hot water, hot air, and cold air, it's all under one great name and roof now.
The bonds forged with the community, along with their unwavering support for veterans, are at the core of Conejo Valley Heating and Air Plumbing and Rooters' values. They believe that by investing in their community, they can create a brighter, warmer future for everyone. With customer service being second to none, customers refer Conejo Valley Heating and Air Plumbing and Rooter to their friends, relatives, and neighbors.
Yeah, customer service is everything to our business. Everything we do is based on customer service and developing overall customer delight. We are in a hypermarket here where everything that we do matters to our customers, and so we try to do it to the best of our ability to make sure that customer is 100% satisfied. One thing that differentiates us from every other company, in my opinion, is our level of communication throughout the entire process. It all starts with our call center, being able to answer all the questions on the front end with the customer and getting it to the appropriate technician to go out to take care of whatever need they have. And we stand behind that technician and give them full support every step of the way. The customer calls in after the work is done, has any questions regarding any aspect of that job, from billing all the way to warranty, they can call our office at any time and make sure they get those answers to the questions that they have. And we want them to tell their neighbors about us and how great their experience was. That's what we're striving for. We ask them how we did, and we ask them in a multitude of different ways. We ask them to write a review and tell the public about their experience, and we ask them directly, how did we do? How did everything go? And a lot of customers aren't shy to let us know, and for the most part, they're extremely satisfied. And if they're ever not satisfied to our level of expectation, we do everything that we can in our power to get them there.
For more information on Conejo Valley Heating and Air Plumbing and Rooter, visit ConejoValleyAir.com or go to our website at designingspaces.tv.